Alright, lock it back. That means I can't find the lock for that one day. Can't find the key for that one day. Shit. We're looking at one pink perfume box and Palsy give me Anisha. The perfume box. Looking at the Palsy key. Looking at the perfume box, there's some key. Try that one. If not, I'm going to put on that on it. And this time I took up my Wi-Fi. Modium. And the modium I go with. The modium. Because me not have a Wi-Fi me I use. And that means say you go get card and plug in Wi-Fi and in here. And I in your sleep last night. In your sleep last night. I in your move yet. I in your where I move go. You have to go? I in your sleep last night. Hey, where do bro? You say you're a waste man. You say you're a waste man is a little waste batty boy. That's your blood clot be. You're a waste man. And when I talk about you upon the neck, them beat me or me jealous or me diss. Me don't want you. Me feed you. And all the clothes you walk with are my one. When you move, we never show the internet where you move. With. Try bring me down. You can't bring me down, Jakes.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete ended up on the beat and you can't see upon on the screen. Yeah, it looked like Jakes definitely had an exit plan when he was planning to move out to Rosealee house, because as you can see, it exposed the nastiness. People putting out the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie. It kind of look away knowing that she's making all of this bank. And run at the ends look like one part from one part, you see me? You know what I mean? So she's going in on Jakes right now, because, you know, he's trying to embarrass her because of the embarrassment he, you know, endured, you know, by her mouth on this out this say. So before we hear what Rosealee have to say, let us see what Jakes is revealing. You know what I mean? And reveal some things, you see me? So that's like, can share the video from now, and let's get into it.
No, jar. Not in a jar. Never show nothing else. Got bed over here, so. West, got bed over here. Knock off the light, people. Close our door. Our witness here. Our sister's witness.
Yeah. They can't bring me down, Jakes. Yeah. Can't bring me down. If I show the world say dirty, I may have to do a clean it. When the time come for my move. If I show the world say dirty, I'm gonna do a clean it. Simple. So what is that? Because I know this one, I crush up. Let me see that one that. I probably had the wrong one.
Oh, yes.
Pass I burn people this one, decide which one that.
Yeah.
Wait.
None of the people do.
Let me show it out this one. See it out this one. What do you see it now?
Random time.
Black Doria. You know, China girl come in and come fuck. No more. See, you see crushed up and throw it out this one. Yeah, girl, it out the throat, out this one. See, it be out this one.
Yeah.
Look at my tear in there. Look at the tear in there, girl. So now, take that, put it down, let's look at the tear in there. You know, for wet this, you know, wet it all now, a blood clot. You know, wet it. Wet it.
Yeah?
No, wet the rag, wet it. No more cemetery, wet it. Come, hold them there. What is this?
We're still
Hello, just dash for them dirty blood clot, you know?
you know,
Not in there when me no want. So me tear in there, and my idea the right there, so. Yeah. Keep the fan come up first, because it's kind of hot. Anisha, tuck up them there with their ground now. Tuck up them there with their ground. Dash for every pussy clot. You see me show them down there, so. Dash it away. I'm not used to waking up and being by myself. I'm not used to missing anyone. I'm not used to getting no love. You know, you sleep last night and you wake up this morning and do what you do. You know, you sleep last night. You wake up this morning and do what you do. I don't know how your wicked saw. I don't know how GX wicked saw last night. In ya, you sleep. At 3 weeks you sleep on the sheet, you don't take it off and wash it or you're nasty. Week you sleep on the one cheap at now it's killing me and suddenly remind myself now it's killing me and suddenly find myself alone. You better, baby. I'm not used to waking up. I'm not used to listen anywhere. I want you. Now it's killing me, and suddenly find myself alone. Yes, so waking up in bed by myself. Go on for that, Sidem. Now. Tell him to come now. Come! No one's scaring me, and suddenly.
Yeah, so let's not go back to film.
Me like a little bit though.
That can't fit in on.
The one different, you know what I want myself? I want one bigger lock.
Where you want lock?
One lock, me gonna make ball come put, cut call ball for me. I'm gonna put an ass and staple upon this and lock that door, yeah. Cause me don't know the key work. Me I lock the door.
Let me check the key.
Check the key. Don't want him in here. Cause in your sleep last night. Check the key. Don't want him in here. In your sleep last night.
Yeah, one bagger and one. People don't forget to go up on my Credible Boss channel to check out the story with Cav and Chip. Smell like, you know, Ivany get brought in, but she definitely jumped out when these people start talking about people pitney. So do the right thing and subscribe to all of my platforms. Turn on the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest. Please.